Next is explicit cursor. When individual records in a table have to be processed inside a PL/SQL code block, a cursor is used. This cursor will be declared and mapped to an SQL query in the declare section of the PL/SQL block and used within the executable section. A cursor thus created and used is known as an explicit cursor. Here are some steps involved in using an explicit cursor and manipulating data in its active set are: declare a cursor, map to a SQL select statement that retrieves data for processing, open the cursor, fetch data from cursor, process the data held in the memory variables using loop, exit from the loop after processing is complete, and the last one is close the cursor. Here, explicit cursor declaration. A cursor is defined in declarative part of PL/SQL block. This is done by naming the cursor and mapping it to a query. The three commands used to control the cursor subsequently that are open, fetch, and close. Opening a cursor, that means opening a cursor. This statement will retrieve records from a database table and places the records in the cursor. A cursor is open in the server's memory. The syntax of this cursor is open cursor name. The fetch statement retrieves the rows from the active set open in the server into memory variables declared in the PL/SQL code block on the client, one row at a time. The loop is used to fetch records from the cursor. And the last, close. The close statement disables the cursor and the active set becomes undefined. This will release the memory occupied by the cursor and its data set. Here, explicit cursor attributes are same as in implicit cursor. That is, percentage is open, percentage found, percentage not found, percentage row count. The uses of these attributes are same as in implicit cursor, but we have to put the cursor name in the place of implicit cursor name by default, that is SQL. We have to put our cursor name before the percentage sign. Here in declaration part, cursor C_EMP we have created with map the select query that will fetch the records of those employees whose salary is less than 15,000, str_emp_code and num_cell that are temporary variables. We can call them a memory variable also. In begin part, open C_emp that will open the cursor. If C_emp is open, that means the cursor is open. Then fetch the records of C_emp, that means fetch the record of cursor into two memory variables and exit from the loop when the records are not found from the cursor. Print that record in the screen by using DBMS output.put line. End of the loop, and the else part of the main if is executed when the cursor is not open. And if, that is the end of the if structure, and that is the end of the block. Here two records are displayed. The employee number of those employees are 1 and 2. We can also use percentage found or percentage not found here. Thank you.